Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best hot rollers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Remington Ionic Conditioning Hair Setter. This set of rollers from Remington is fabulous. The rollers are extremely useful and you will like their versatility if you are the type who makes several different types of hairstyle and curls. There are 20 velvety rollers in this set. These rollers come in different sizes. 4 of these measure 3/4 of an inch, 10 are 1 inch while the remaining 6 are 1 1/4 inch. It is very easy to group rollers of the same size together. This is because rollers of the same size come in the same color. This color is different from the colors of the rollers belonging to the other 2 sizes. A set of 20 rollers is no mean thing and as a result, they will require a relatively large amount of space to store them. The Remington Ionic Conditioning Hair Setter makes use of thermal wax technology. As a result, the rollers are able to retain heat for a very long period, longer than most curlers. In addition, these rollers have ionic conditioning, which helps to significantly reduce frizz while making your hair to shine even more. At number 4. Revlon Curls to Go Travel Hot Rollers. And, as far as hot rollers go, Revlon Curls to Go Travel Hot Rollers will remain a unique set. This set of hot rollers is specifically designed for travels. Hence they are very portable. If you travel a lot and you want to have your hot rollers handy wherever you go, then Revlon Curls to Go hot rollers are your best bet. Its portability is made possible by the ultra-lightweight design of the rollers. This is then complemented by a strong travel pouch. It is very easy to use. Apart from its portability, the Revlon Curls to Go Travel Hot Rollers set consists of 10 5 large and 5 medium-sized rollers for effective curling of the hair. It makes use of tourmaline ionic technology to help keep your hair shiny and considerably eliminate hair frizziness. Once the rollers are heated, the ready dot indicators on them turn white. This way you will know when to apply the rollers. It also comes with a dual voltage that allows it to adapt to the conditions of wherever you travel to in any part of the world. For more beauty guides, see our picks for teeth whitening kits. At number 3. Remington H9100S Pro Hair Setter. This is another wonderful product by Remington. The Remington H9100S Pro Hair Setter comes with 20 rollers. Each of these rollers belongs to one of 2 different sizes, with 12 falling under the large size while the remaining 8 are medium-sized. It makes use of advanced thermal technology to deliver effective results. The rollers are coated with ceramic in order to prevent them from getting damaged easily, thereby ensuring their longevity. All you need to make attractive curls, if you make use of the Remington H9100S Pro Hair Setter, is 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, the heat would have circulated through the layers and you will be left with your refreshed, glowing and beautiful hair. At number 2. Conair Xtreme Instant Heat Hot Rollers. The Conair Xtreme Instant Heat Hot Rollers are comprised of the Conair Jumbo and Super Jumbo Hot Rollers. These are 2 different sizes of hot rollers that come in a set. These sizes are 1.5 and 1 3/4 inches for the Jumbo and Super Jumbo sizes respectively. These hot rollers are designed in order to maximize volume. Hence, they are made specifically for people with long hair. Long hair may be prone to frizz. However, with these rollers, frizz becomes a thing of the past. The rollers are made of ceramic and are healthy to use. Each roller has a big clip that helps to attach and keep the roller in place. Its heat technology is very potent and as a result, it is suited to people who have thick, long hair but are plagued by frizz. The heat technology of the Conair Xtreme Instant Heat Hot Rollers will effectively help to eliminate any form of frizz or roughness of the hair. At number 1. Conair Compact Multi-Size Hot Rollers. Conair Compact Multi-Size Hot Rollers remain one among the most popular and in-demand hot rollers on the market today. And there is a good reason for this. This set has 20 pieces of hot rollers in it. The hot rollers come in 3 different sizes, large, medium and small, corresponding to 1 inch, 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch. There are 6 large and medium-sized rollers while the small-sized rollers are 8 in number. Due to this variation in the sizes of the rollers, they are very versatile and they can be used to curl virtually all kinds of hair. There is a stainless steel clip for each of the hot rollers to hold the rollers on your head and keep them firmly in place. You don't have to fear that will fall off. More so, they are quite easy and straightforward to use. If you struggle with visible facial hair, see our guide on epilators for facial hair. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.